Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to download and install WhatsApp in computer or laptop. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. So if it is not very convenient for you to use WhatsApp on your phone, then today we will learn how to use it on your computer. So go to any browser, for example Google Chrome, and enter the WhatsApp web. Next go to the official website and click on the three dots in the upper right corner. Select Save and Share and click Install WhatsApp. If you do not have this button, then select Create Shortcut and Confirm. After that, a WhatsApp will appear on your desktop and you just need to log into your account either using your phone number or point the camera at the QR code. This is done simply. Open the WhatsApp on the phone, then go to the settings and click Linked Devices. Click once again and point the camera at the QR code and log in to your account. The next time you boot your computer, you just need to open the WhatsApp on your desktop. That's how easy it is. Be sure to watch the entire playlist about WhatsApp on my channel or follow the link in the description. I am sure you will learn a lot. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye. Have a nice day.